All right, friends, we are going to wrap up our practice with changing the ending sounds in words to make a new word. So let's look at a few examples together, and then you guys will be doing an activity on your own and uploading a picture of your work. So we have a picture of a bag. So we have the word bag, b-ag. The beginning sound in the word bag is b, b. The middle sound is a, and the ending sound is g. So I'm going to put an E above the G. This is the ending sound. This is the beginning sound. So today we're going to focus on changing the ending sound to make a new word. So we're going to change the word bag to bat. Bat. We're going to have to change that G to a different letter. What letter do we need if we want to make the word bat? We're going to keep b, a. We're going to change the ending of bag to bat. I hear a T. We need a T. Let's check it out. B-at, bat. Excellent job. We got to keep the B and the A the same. B-a. We changed the ending sound to a T to make a new word, bat. Let's look at some more examples. Now we're going to look at the word bat again. Bat. The beginning sound is B. The ending sound is T. So we have the beginning sound, middle sound, ending sound. And now someone did bad on their test. So we're going to change the word bat to bad. Bad. We're going to change this t to bad. D. What letter do we need? A D. D makes the sound D. Bad. So we got to keep the beginning and the middle sound the same. We changed the T to a D to make bad. Let's look at one last example. This is a picture of some friends jumping. So we have the word jump. Jump. We're going to change the word jump to the word just. J-ust. So we have j is the beginning sound, and then we have is the ending sound. So we're going to keep the J and the U, but we're going to change the word jump to the word just. Let's see what we hear. J-ust. What letters make that sound? St. S-T. So now we can change the word jump to the word just. Now this time we had to change more than just one letter, but that's okay. So we got to keep the J and the U, J, and we changed it from to st. And now we have the word just. Just. So today you're going to use what you know about changing words to change some words into new ones by changing the ending sound. So here it is. It says change the ending sound of the following words to make a new word. Upload a picture of your work. So you have the word beg, dog, bag, and can. Or you can come up with your own words, change the ending sound to make a new word, and upload a picture of your work. If you can't upload a picture for some reason, you can text it to your teacher.